Yo, okay, I think I'm lagging. Wait. Let me just pause. Dude, it's lagging. Okay. Okay. Alright. I did not plan for today. Well, okay, well, the plan for today is to just get through the entire design process, the UI designs. So, whoa. So last week I did, oh, I got 3 people already. So last week I worked on the design from Figma, and then now I'm gonna be building them to on Swift. And then let's get started. People already here now. All right. Hey. So as you can see, like, I'm gonna be doing the onboarding. So the onboarding flow, the dynamic island, and it's gonna be, yeah. So I'm gonna be building these out. So finally got it all finished, most of it, except for the call summary. So this is the thing that I missed from last week that I did not finish, but it's not really that important right now. The most important thing is the handling of the call. So when you get a call, we need to be able to actually implement these screens here. So I already got this. So now the next thing for me is to implement this and the other ones. And so what I'm also using to help me out build this is the user flow that I built from last week. So this will help me guide on what the process for receiving the incoming call. So what UI screens we'll be using, and then we need to do our checks. Do we know this number? Do we not know this number? Then and yeah. All right, I'll just get on with it. Let me just build this out. And so how's it going, guys? I can't believe people are already here. What the hell? All right, let me just get on. Yes, I don't think I'm gonna be working on the backend for. Actually, you know what? Maybe I might be working on the backend because the notification stuff that I worked on last week is. I also realized that the notifications data model. So I think I even showed that from last week. So essentially, for the notifications, there's 2 different information that I need from notifications. So there's, because the call screener can be optional, so that's what I want to do. We get the caller information from Twilio, and so that's one of the data models that needs to be in the notifications object. And then also the other information that we need is from the AI screener, and this would be the call summary, and this would be an optional for the user, so that when we get a missed call from somebody, this would just be a null value, and all we have is this. And so, but all in all, so let's say you have an entire list. So let's say the call went through the call assistant. What's gonna happen is that we're gonna have this type of screen here. And let's say they wanted a callback request. This person is wanting to have a callback request. It's an urgent call. We need to call this person immediately. The call information here that you can see here is the Twilio, the information directly from Twilio. So we can, from Twilio, we have this type of information where we can identify which country this person is from, with the zip code, the city, state. So now, but the thing is, in some numbers it works, but there are also cases where it doesn't even show the country. It just shows the country, but it doesn't show you the exact zip code or the city. But I just added this as a example. Anyway, I should stop talking. Let's build this. Let me just build this down. So the goal for me today is to finish through the onboarding, at least for this week, is to finish through the onboarding, the incoming call handling. So the call handling is essentially, I've showed it already. So all of these is something I need first, especially these 2 here. Let me just thing is building. All right, let me just get my headphone. Yeah, so I'm also planning on building a devlog video for this. I think it'd be nice to just showcase, because I think I've made plenty of breakthroughs so far. One is the integrating with the call system, the automated call system, and actually integrating that to the system that I built here. So that was a massive breakthrough. And then the most recent one is the actually enabling the call acceptance. So actually being able to accept the call and actually being able to talk on the goddamn app. So that was one of the biggest breakthroughs. And really from that, it just completes the entire system. It basically just completes the whole main features of the application, and that's why I'm so excited. But yeah, I took the time from last week and the week before that just designing the entire system, because I honestly think, yeah, it's a very agile process. It's not like a waterfall thing like where you find on game development. But let me. This thing is not. Okay, so okay. People already came in. Oh man. All right, let me just get on with this now. Not connecting. Fuck. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the call system while I wait for this to connect. Yeah, so in terms of priorities, like the most important thing is fixing the call system, so all the UI directly from the call system, and then the onboarding flow. Yeah, because the call screener is basically done. It's just that when accepting the call, that's when you kind of have to make the specific UI for them, because before when I actually got the call acceptance working, I was having having a ton of problems just understanding on what's going on, because the UI is not updating, and because you're not seeing a custom UI for them. So why is okay, let me just connect. Why is this not connecting? Alright, sorry about that. Sorry about this. The FPS is way too dank. FPS is way too dank. What do you mean? How's it going, Ato? Ato. FPS is way too dank. What do you mean by that? This thing is not gonna. Okay, this thing is not. Did I break this thing? Alright. Come on, man. I feel like I need to close some of this. Apology. Lag 3 FPS. Oh my god. Is it actually lag? Okay. I'll fix that. Okay, let me fix this. Sorry about that. Thanks for pointing out. Like, I had no idea. What is going on? Okay, let me fix. I'm fixing it now. So, what is going on, dude? Yeah, because even my headphones isn't connecting. Okay. Is that better? What? Come on, man. Okay, is that better? What the fuck? Okay, I close all my browser, and it seems like that's okay. Why is it lagging?